The financial world is changing. A new asset class is emerging, outside the control of governments and banks. Cryptocurrencies, led by Bitcoin, offer remarkable profit potential. Bitcoin has surged from under $1 to over 60,000. Its rise shows belief in its value and as a hedge against inflation. Demand grows as more recognize its value. Cryptocurrencies shift how we think about money and finance, offering transparency and security unmatched by traditional systems. Bitcoin may be the most recognizable name in the cryptocurrency space, but it is far from the only player in this rapidly evolving market. Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano are just a few examples of other cryptocurrencies that are gaining traction and attracting significant investment. Each of these platforms offers unique features and functionalities, contributing to the expanding ecosystem of decentralized applications and services. Ethereum, for instance, has emerged as a leading platform for smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into the code. This has opened up a world of possibilities for developers, allowing them to create decentralized applications, or dApps, that range from financial tools to supply chain management systems, and beyond. Solana and Cardano, on the other hand, are known for their high transaction speeds and low fees, making them attractive alternatives to Ethereum for certain use cases. Solana, in particular, has gained significant attention for its ability to process thousands of transactions per second, positioning it as a potential contender in the realm of decentralized finance. The emergence of these and other cryptocurrencies highlights the dynamism and innovation within this space. As the technology continues to mature and evolve, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking projects and platforms emerge, each with the potential to disrupt traditional industries and reshape the financial landscape. Investing in cryptocurrencies can seem daunting, especially for newcomers. However, the beauty of this market lies in its flexibility. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, there are various avenues to explore. Long-term holding or hodling involves buying and holding cryptocurrencies for years. This strategy banks on the long-term potential of cryptocurrencies. For quicker profits, day trading capitalizes on intraday price fluctuations. It requires a deep understanding of technical analysis and market trends. Beyond trading, staking and yield farming offer passive income opportunities. Remember, the market is volatile. Research thoroughly and invest wisely. Cryptocurrencies are not just about speculation and investment. They represent a fundamental shift in how we think about money, finance, and the very nature of trust. The underlying blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, from supply chain management and healthcare to voting and identity verification. Businesses and governments around the world are beginning to recognize the transformative potential of blockchain technology. Major corporations are exploring the use of blockchain for improving transparency and efficiency in their supply chains. Governments are experimenting with blockchain-based solutions for land registration, digital identity, and more. The adoption of blockchain technology is still in its early stages, but the momentum is undeniable. As more businesses and governments realize the potential of this technology, we can expect to see wider adoption, leading to a more efficient, transparent, and secure future. Cryptocurrencies, with their decentralized nature and global accessibility, have the potential to empower individuals and communities, particularly those who have been underserved by traditional financial systems. As we move towards an increasingly digital world, cryptocurrencies and the underlying blockchain technology are poised to play an even more significant role in shaping the future of finance and beyond. It's time to explore this exciting new world and discover the potential of cryptocurrencies for yourself.